Hi Blazers, in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to use the EaseUS Partition Master Professional Edition. So this is the paid version. You guys know that recently I upgraded my laptop and put a new hard drive in and new RAM, and had backed up my existing hard drive to an external. So this is the external here. What I want to do, it's a 2 terabyte drive as you can see, but it's only showing the 128 at the moment. So what we're going to do is bring it back to its original self, because we're done and dusted with the backup and we're running normally on this drive here. So we're going to go to wipe disk. We're going to wipe it once. Say OK. Wipe disk 2. So that's disk 2 right here. So you've got to just double check everything. That's what's going to happen. It's going to become unallocated across the board, and then we're going to execute the task. And then it just double checks. Again, because you're wiping all the data, make sure if you're going to wipe the data that you've backed up and you've put your data somewhere else. As you can see with mine, it's already done. So we're going to hit apply. And this is in progress right now. Once the wipe is done, you will see something like this with big tick. Then click done. Then we'll go to unallocated and we'll create. We'll keep it as that, and we'll give it a drive letter. So this is unallocated. You can do this on Windows Disk Management, but this is within the Master Professional Edition of the Partition Master. Now, that's all we're going to do. Decide the size and position. We're all happy with that, the whole thing. Press OK. We're going to create a partition on E, which is this one here. Okay. We click on execute one task. Again, it gives you all these warnings and what it's going to do. So we're going to create a partition on E. The drive letter is E. File system is NTFS. Volume label is empty. We can add that later. And that's the entire partition size. And we're going to click apply. That's done now. It's quite quick. So we'll click done. You can see we've got that there. I'll close this, and you can see if we go to this PC, we've got a blank E drive right there, all done, ready to go, and we've got our entire size back instead of the 128. So we unallocate the drive and wipe it, and then we give the disk management part of it going and putting the local drive E and the 1.81 terabytes back. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye for now.